Hello guys, today I'm going to try to remove the immobilizer for my Sharan. I just bought myself a Sharan. Here is the dashboard. And I want to use the engine for my Vanagon T3. And this is what I got from China. It's a little tiny circuit board. So I'm going to solder 3 wires to it and try to put it in the immobilizer circuit and see if it's working, because this is really cheap. It's cost I don't know, I remember €3, dollars, something like that. I can provide links for it down below so you can see for yourselves. Okay, so let's go ahead and solder the wires, and see if it's working in the Sharan. This is how the immobilizer box looks like on the Sharan. Inside looks like this. And this is the 2 connectors, one for the steering wheel where the key is inserted, and one for the ECU. I also have found online a wiring diagram. This is not my chip. My chip I have tried to draw over here. Looks like this. Yes. Wiring diagram, and also the ECU box, which you can see like this. So now I need to solder 3 wires and connect them according to the diagram and see if this is working. Okay, that looks good to me. So then we have the 3 wires, red, green and black, which on the paper says brown, green and maybe orange. Anyway, the plus 12 is red on mine, green is the K line, which also goes to engine ECU and OBD pin 7. Yeah, brown. Then it should be ready to be tested in the car. So let's go ahead and see. Okay, back in the car, and I have put the immobilizer back on, and when we turn the key, everything is working perfectly. If I remove this cable that goes to the steering wheel on the key, it still will start, but it will stop instantly. You see? Turn the key, car is stopping instantly. So immobilizer is working. So now is the big question: will the chip work? Okay, I have now connected the chip to the plug according to the diagram, and let's see what's happening. Magic! It's working! Amazing! Fantastic, huh? Let's turn it off. Amazing. Let's remove it and see what's happening. And there we go again. It stops right away. Yes. No chance. But immobilizer removal is working with this fantastic little chip from China. Fantastic. €3, $3, something like that. I provide links for it, like I told you earlier, down below. Click it if you're interested. By the way, this is how the car looks like right now. I have removed all the wiring, cut everything from it don't be needed, and it looks like a complete mess. I know. And if you wonder where the immobilizer was in this car, it was installed on this plate, which was on this plate where is the ECU, and this one was screwed under here, and this, here we have it, the immobilizer box was on the underside, which again equals here somewhere, there it was, yes. Okay guys, that's all for this time. Next time I will try to remove the engine and see how that goes, and then of course the rest of the wiring. See you later. Goodbye.